Project 613, day 38. Today we start, and for the next 10 days, we are going to be learning about the mitzvah of Shabbat. Shabbat is a fundamental mitzvah. In fact, it is considered one of those mitzvot that are compared to the entire Torah. What is Shabbat? When God took the Jewish people out of Egypt and brought them to Mount Sinai, He gave us the 10 commandments. And the fourth of those 10 commandments is, remember the Sabbath day to make it holy. And God explains, God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh. God wants us to remember this. It is so crucial to remember that God is the creator. It has so many ramifications in life, in our religious life, in our sanity, and therefore it is so crucial for us to have Shabbat. In fact, God tells us that He has a special gift in His treasury, and it's called Shabbat, and He gifted it to the Jewish people. What is the gift of Shabbat? One of the misconceptions of Shabbat is that it's a day that we are told we must relax. That's not necessarily true, and that's a bit of an oversimplification. You see, if the whole idea was that we shouldn't get overworked and we should have some time to relax, so you could choose any day of the week. But it's very clear that you can't just choose any day of the week. It has to be specifically the seventh day of the week. So now we need to take a step backwards. What exactly is a week? Is there anything in this world that defines a week? The answer is no. A month, a lunar month, is based on the lunar cycle. A year, 365 days, is based on the seasons. There's no opinion about it. It's just a fact. When it comes to a week, there is nothing natural about the cycle of a week. Why today should be Sunday, and 7 days later should be Saturday. The only thing that defines the week is the fact that in Genesis, the Torah records the creation of the world. God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh. On the first day He created light. The second day He divided the waters. The third day He created earth. On the fourth day He put the sun, the moon, and all the stars and all the constellations in the sky. On the fifth day, He created the fish and the birds. And on the sixth, He created the animal kingdom and humanity, starting off with Adam and Eve. And on the seventh day, He rested. What does it mean that God rested? God stopped to create. And therefore, He decided that He's going to give us, the Jewish people, the mitzvah of observing the Shabbat. Not a day that we must relax, but a day that we must observe in a very defined and specific manner. And over the next 10 days, we'll be going through some of the details of what Shabbat observance really means. Thank you all for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time.